Hey guys, this is Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome to yet another video. And I'd like to start off by apologizing for not uploading videos for a while now, and also for this horrible backdrop for this particular video. But then my family and I have been shifting homes and we are still in the process of unpacking and setting things up, especially for my home studio. I hope you guys don't mind the backdrop, but I just wanted to get this video out to you guys since there was a lot of requests for the same. Now before we get this started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now let's begin the video. Now the box itself is very simple in typical fashion of the OPPO wireless earphones, just like the W31. It comes with the earphones in the box along with a set of ear tips, a USB Type-C cable, as well as some documentation, which is basically the quick start guide and warranty guide. Now what's primarily different compared to the Enco W31 is the fact that these are lower in terms of cost and is costing you ₹2499, and it will also come with a glossy case and a slightly different case design. While the Enco W31 had a matte finish design with soft touch and one that was great at keeping scratches and fingerprints at bay, this only comes in a white color glossy finish, which definitely will pick up scratches over time. Now I don't prefer the glossy finish over the matte finish of the W31, but since we have no choice, it's still okay, considering that the white one is definitely better than having a black variant, which would have otherwise shown fingerprints as well. Now in terms of the basic shape and design, this reminds me quite a bit of the Galaxy Buds and Buds Plus from Samsung. However, when it comes to the design of the earbuds themselves, they remind me more of the Realme Buds Q, and in fact I think that they've borrowed a lot from the Buds Q, and the base features and the specifications for both of these are quite similar. So each of these earbuds comes with 40 mAh inside them and a 400 mAh case, and in terms of the weight also they're quite similar, and while they're not as light as the Buds Q themselves, these are also pretty light at 4.4 grams, and overall it's around 40 grams including the case itself. Now the quoted battery life is around 4 hours on a single charge from the earphones. The total quoted battery life is around 20 hours as well. Now in terms of the drivers, these are a bit smaller than the Realme Buds Q and are 8mm drivers. When I tried it on, I quite liked the audio reproduction overall, but I definitely did feel that the bass was lacking compared to the Buds Q, and if you're someone who's looking for a lot of bass, then these might not really appeal to you. I'll give my full verdict once the review is done, but it seems to lack bass so far. In terms of comfort, these are very comfortable and fit well in your ear, but I did feel that the isolation was not all that great, and this could be a problem due to the ear tip size, because I generally am okay with the default size that comes with particular earphones, but in some cases I may have to try the larger ones or the smaller ones based on the ear tip size itself. In this case, I have a feeling that using the larger one would provide better isolation and a more seal fit, and I'll talk more about that in the complete review as well. Now these are IP55 dust and water resistant, and that means that you can use them while jogging or while you're in the gym, for example. These come with Bluetooth 5.0, and we had no issue in pairing them with Android or iPhone devices, and apart from that this comes with touch controls as well. And while the W31 actually had wear sensor, this doesn't, but what this gains that the W31 didn't have is basically a way to play or pause your music. In this, what you have to do is a single tap, which actually plays or pause the music, a double tap changes tracks, and if you hold and press it, it adjusts the volume. So in case you press and hold the right earbud, it increases the volume, and the left earbud decreases the volume. And similarly, you can use a double tap to answer or end calls, and a triple tap activates voice assistant as well. And while this does not offer the amount of customizability that the Realme Buds Q does, these touch controls sort of control every single thing that you may require, and overall I quite liked it in my short experience with it so far. Also, welcome change compared to the Buds Q is the fact that these charge over USB Type-C, and definitely considering the price point of ₹2500, that is kind of expected. Stay tuned for a review for more. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.